again, man. Hey, buddy. Let's try this light real quick. Maybe a little bit lighter in here. Woo! Look at that light. Yeah, it's just me and Gay Man. Kelsey and Jamie went to Walmart, so I thought I'd spend a little mono time with Gannon. He's eating crackers. Any help?
No.
You don't want it? Can they move it?
Move.
Here. Okay, whatever. But, oh, my food. Oh crap. It's gonna burn. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Sorry. Oh no, it's stuck to the pan. This is gonna taste delicious. Yeah, gosh. Gannon's so silly. He's just freaking hilarious. He's so hilarious. Hey, what are you eating? Chicken, turkey? Get back here. Get back here, Gannon. Yes, I finally got to go back to the gym today. It's been a while. It's been a long time. Yeah, I got this new protein stuff called Carnivore, and it's beef protein isolate. So it's supposed to be like, oh, let me just read you the bottle because it's freaking crazy. It says 20 times the creatine content of a steak, and it is 350% more concentrated in anabolic muscle building aminos than a prime sirloin steak. So it's like super powerful stuff, and my freaking arms are so tired I can't even hold up the freaking camera. Sorry, try to zip my bag because Gannon likes to play. Wait a second. Okay. Yeah, it definitely tastes like butt though, so that's always great when stuff tastes like butthole. There's Gannon again. Hey, Gannon. Hey, where's Gannon? There's Gannon. Hey, what are you doing? Can you show everybody how you dance? Okay, dance. Show Daddy how you dance. Oh yeah, look at that move. What? Shake your butt. Shake your butt. What? Shake your butt. Shake your butt. What? Oh yeah. Shake your butt. Yeah, he's got his daddy's white boy dance moves. But I fixed me something to eat because Kelsey already ate, and where'd he go? And we're just waiting on her to get back. Oof. Been working some pretty long hours. The kids had doctor's appointment yesterday, and Kelsey did too, but she didn't vlog it for some freaking reason. Hello. Again. Dance. Oh yeah. I said dance. What? Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Stomp them, stomp them, stomp them. Clap, 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 clap. Clap your hands. Oh! Shoes. Daddy can't wear those shoes. They're mommy's.
But.
There's mommy's shoes. Yeah, they're mommy's.
But.
Look, Gannon has boots on. Stomp, stomp, stomp. There's your milk. Okay, well, we'll just see what goes on when Kelsey gets back. I'm gonna go eat. So, be right back.
Say hey, Daddy. Gannon, can you say hey, Daddy? Hey, Daddy. Where are you going? It's okay. Watch out, you're gonna hit your hand. That was my phone. Gosh. 1, 2, 3. Hey, what's on your pants? What's on your pants? What is that?
Balls.
Balls. And what's on your shirt?
Balls.
What's on your shirt?
Balls.
Thomas? Thomas? I found this shirt at Walmart for $1 and these pants for $1. You want to wear them? You ready to go night-night?
No.
Shutting himself in the refrigerator. I don't think you can fit. He's trying to fit in the refrigerator. Uh-oh.
That.
That.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Mommy's phone? Yeah, Mommy's phone is in the refrigerator. Hopefully it's still in one piece.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Why are you sitting in the refrigerator?
That.
You want me to go away? Gannon, do you want me to go?
Yes.
Yes. I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Here he comes. Papa, gonna get you.
Papa.
Yeah, wear him out, Frank.